Hello friends. I am Li Bu. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Today share with you about silver-headed grass. Medicinal plants treat colds, coughs, bronchitis, sinusitis, many other diseases. Silver-headed grass. Other names are silver-headed grass and round-headed grass. Scientific name, Kyllinga nemoralis. Brand name, Herbal Kyllinga nemoralis. Family, seagrass, Cyperaceae. Characteristics of silver-headed grass. Silver-headed grass is a perennial grass, small stems, only about 725 cm tall, rhizome grows. The leaves are strip-shaped, smaller and shorter than the stems, greenish in the middle of the blade with small veins stretching from the root to the tip. The flowers grow in clusters at the tops, spherical. Each cluster containing 1 to 3 cylindrical flowers. And the diameter of the flower cluster ranges from 4–8 mm. Plants often flower in the summer. Clumsy, oval-shaped, slightly flattened, often yellowish. Whole silver-headed plants have a specific aroma, but the most fragrant is the root. Parts used. The whole tree is used to make medicine. Distribution. Silver-headed grass is a tropical plant, wild tree growing along the road, in the garden. Is available throughout the world. Harvesting, preliminary processing. Collect medicinal herbs all year round. After harvesting, remove the soil and sand. And use fresh or dried to use gradually. Preservation. Store in a cool and dry place. Avoid medicinal herbs at high temperatures as they may lose the characteristic aroma. Chemical composition. The whole plant contains characteristic aroma and essential oil. The use of silver-headed grass. Silver-headed grass is a herbal medicine with the only effect pain relief. Emphysema, leprosy and speech. Therefore, people often use silver-headed grass to treat skin ulcers. Worms, as antiseptic wounds and diarrhea. Silver-headed grass cure. Currently, silver-headed grass is used to treat diseases such as whooping cough, pharyngitis, colds, bronchitis, diarrhea, rectal dysentery, malaria, pimples, ringworms, snake bites, skin rashes. Usage, dosage. Silver-headed grass is mainly used in the outer form. In addition, medicinal herbs can also be used to boil drinking water at a dose of 3100 g day. Herbal remedies from silver-headed grass. Cure itchy skin. 100 g of silver-headed grass, heat with 800 ml of water. Wash the painful area with water. Remedy for hepatitis causing jaundice. Silver-headed grass, 40–80 g fresh. Boil with 800 ml of water and drink all day. Remedy for pimples, pyoderma and snake bites. Silver-headed grass, 30–60 g. Bring drinking water. Remedies for treatment of diabetes treatment. Longan, 15 g and silver-headed grass, 30 g. Boil with 800 ml of water, drink 3 times one day. Remedy for cough, tracheitis and pertussis. Silver-headed grass, 60 g. Boil with water and divide into 2 drinks a day. Remedy for malaria. Silver-headed grass, 60 g. Boil with 500 ml of drinking water. Sinusitis remedy. Silver-headed grass, 60 g. Boiled with 600 ml of water and used when the drug was still warm. Cold remedies for colds. Silver-headed grass and perilla per 1 handful, using all fresh ingredients. Bring clean and boil with water to boil and then use facial steam to relieve cold, cough and stuffy nose. Remedies help easy birth. Silver-headed grass, 60 g. Boiled with 600 ml of drinking water at the beginning of labor. So I have shared with you about silver-headed grass. Wishing you a happy new day. Please like, share and subscribe for my support channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.